Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Janice Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Seprod Limited will be spending nearly 1 billion Jamaican dollars to upgrade its beverage facility in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. CEO Richard Pandui said the move will allow the company to meet rising demand for the Swizzle, Cool Fruit, Monster Milk, and Suppligen brands. He said the investment in the new processing equipment, the purchase of new packing equipment, and civil works will amount to $6 million. The completion date is set for November. Mr. Pandui said the expansion will require only 8 additional staff to operate, but will serve to increase output by 300%. Vice President of GK Capital Management, Ryan Strawn, is projecting that the country's productive sector is poised for aggressive growth. Strawn was among financial experts who, in a panel discussion at the inaugural Manufacturers 360 Degrees Conference hosted by the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association earlier this month, according to Our Today. He added that local and global trends show an increased demand for ready-to-eat products from both the diaspora and mainstream consumers alike. Over the last 5 years, the manufacturing sector has consistently contributed an estimated 60 billion to 70 billion Jamaican dollars to gross domestic product. During trading for the period May 27, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Microfinance lender Dollar Financial Services Limited with 1,538,700 units, amounting to 15.88% of the market volume in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,489,083 units, amounted to 15.37% of the market in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,192,388 units, amounted to 12.31% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 27, 2024, registered a volume of 440,728 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 2,145,694 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 34 cents. NCB Financial Group Limited was the volume leader with 322,087 shares changing hands for a value of 869,999 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 90 cents, followed by First Caribbean International Bank Limited with a volume of 44,855 shares being traded for 310,844 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 60 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 27, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that $38.2 million was bought from Forex traders, while $49.4 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.64 and bought the US dollar for $154.27. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.37, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 60 cents from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.30 and bought for $114.70. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.81, selling it for $198.62, and buying it for $191.81. For our credit report tip of the day, remember that your credit report is a powerful tool that can help you secure your financial future. A higher credit score can lead to lower rates on loans and credit cards. Pay your bills on time, reduce outstanding debt, and avoid opening too many new credit accounts at once. These steps will boost your score, saving you money in the long run. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.